The goal with this activity is to really work the legs. Here's what you're gonna do. Get yourself a kettlebell and get ready to torch them. What you wanna do is you're gonna do reverse lunge, slightly different than how you normally would though, folks. And so when you're doing the reverse lunge, what you're gonna do is you're gonna get a tuck of the hips, exhale the lower rib cage. You wanna maintain this, and you wanna step back, take a knee. In the back position, you want a straight line from your knee up towards your head. The front leg is gonna have a straight line, foot, knee, and hip. Now, once I'm in this position, normally I would step forward, but we're gonna do things differently today, folks. You're gonna get your stack, inhale, step back, and then you're actually gonna take another step backwards. And this is your new starting position, because you're gonna do alternating reverse lunges. Just like that. Now, you'll notice that as I did these reverse lunges, I switched the weight. And what you want to do is you want to keep the weight on the same side as the working leg, in this case the front leg, at all times. So if you watch me from the front view, it's going to look kind of like this. I'm going to tuck, exhale, inhale down, exhale, come up, switch hands. And that's how it's done. Give it a shot.